welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am back with another Hobonichi plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. And if this is your first time viewing, make sure you go ahead and drop me a purple heart in the comments box so I know that you're new. And as well, if you haven't already done so at this point, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And now, speaking of first time viewers, I would like to give a big shout out to Lacy Living. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the wonderful comment that you left me. I truly appreciate it. So again, thank you to Lacy Living. Now that I've done my shout out, make sure again you put that purple heart, because you never know, you might get a shout out in my next video. But we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this plan with me. But first, you know it's tradition that I always show you after the pin from the previous week. So if you want to see that, keep watching. All right, so last week I did my spread a lot differently than I normally would, and that was at the request from one of my subscribers, and that is JC69. I couldn't remember her name. I was searching my comments, my DMs, and I just could not find it. So thank you so much for commenting so I can make sure I give you the proper acknowledgement. This idea was a suggestion from JC69. So thank you, and I really enjoyed this layout. I was going to do this again this week, but I wanted to use a kit that was a little bit different that I haven't used in my Hobonichi as of yet, and that is this foil kit by Peach Pom Designs. I have about 4 of these kits, and I was like, you know what, you have not did anything foily, if that's a word, in your Hobonichi. And I have a lot of things that I need to write out for this week, so I figured I needed something that had a little less deco. And again, that's one of the things that I always suggest when you're doing your spreads. Kind of figure out what do you have to do that week. If you have a smaller area to write with, but you want to make sure you have enough space, then go with something that's a little less deco and more functional. Some weeks I have less to write, so I'll go with more of a more of a decorative kit. But anyway, I'm gonna pull some different pieces that I have because this is rose gold, and y'all know my Really Beautiful pens. One day I'm going to do a video showing you all the ones that I have. I absolutely love her pens, and if y'all are interested, I do have a referral code down in the description box if you're interested in purchasing. But anyway, let's talking, let's get to planning. So first things first, we're laying down this date strip, and I kind of realized I was a little bit out of frame because I was trying to zoom in so you can kind of see what I was doing a little bit better. But anyway, as you can see, I went ahead and already outlined my spread. That's kind of going to be the norm for me, but this time I decided to use this super cute pen. It's by Zebra. It's the Sierra's clip pen. It's in 0.5. If I'm not saying it right, I do have this pen linked in my Amazon shop. So I'm going to go ahead and, all of this is typically what I do first. I lay my date strips or date covers, and I then do my bottom and my top washing. Now, because of time's sake, I do try to do some of the tedious part, and when I say tedious, just the more repetitive stuff before I go on camera, which is laying the date dots on the date strips or date covers, and then doing my outline, because all of it, you can see, is pretty self-explanatory. Excuse me, and you can't really see because again, I'm out of frame. Here, I go back in frame. I was struggling with this bottom washing, not because it wasn't perfectly sized, it was just how I was laying it, and thank goodness that this sticker paper by Peach Pom Designs is very forgiving. I think I pulled this up about 5 times, but what I was trying to do is just make sure I had all of that bottom writing, because I had a little bit of the dates on the calendar at the bottom showing. So I finally got that right. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and just add this beautiful top washi. This kit is absolutely stunning. The texture of the sticker paper, the way it pulls up, everything about it is just perfect. So because I was trying to go for the rose gold theme, I remember I had some rose gold scripts stickers that I got from a I don't know if it was like a mystery or just a bundle, but Scribble Prints Co. She had appreciate. I'm so humble that y'all love my planning. Well, technically it's not a full planning style because I don't actually write pen, but the way I lay my stickers is based on how I know I want to write my plans out. But anyway, I get inspiration from so many people and I want to thank them. I make sure I thank them individually when I see them pop up. And you know, if they're watching this video and they see something that I'm doing that they've done, thank you so much for inspiring me. So now these are more the Scribble Prints Co. stickers, and these are so tiny, but these are rose gold bows, and I figure they'll be nice little accents to put on the sides of these boxes from Ashley and Laws. And Scribble Prints Co. had her party this weekend. I was like seeing all the pictures and I'm like, next year I'm gonna start going to some of these planner parties because I don't go to anything for real. I mean, but sometimes those are the sacrifices you make when you are an entrepreneur. This time of year, as a hairstylist, you know, I have to be mindful of how many days I take off and all of that good stuff. And if you see that top sticker where I'm just putting that that flag, that's actually a washing machine. So I put that there to, did I say washing? It's a washing machine and it's rose gold, and that came from the Scribble Prince Co's foil mystery package that I got. So anyway, I am determined to use each and every last sticker in this kit. So you're gonna see me be placing stickers. Looks like I'm just placing them anywhere to place them anywhere, but trust and believe they will be filled out for a purpose. Now these box stickers, I don't know if I want to write on them. I mean, they're so pretty. Maybe I can find like a script sticker for what it is that I need to put in those boxes. I'll do that. But I really, really, really don't want to write on these stickers. I really just want this to be a page that I did and not write any plans in it at all. But this planner goes with me everywhere, so I'm gonna have to write my plans. So now just trying to figure out where to put this sticker. And I'm gonna put it right here. Because again, I'll be able to write something or put a sticker on there to indicate something that I need to do. Now, my only dilemma that I have now is what type of ink will I use to write in my plans? I don't really want to use black because I feel like it's gonna, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna take away from the softness of the planner. I don't know, I'll see. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I use black pen or should I use one of these pastel colors that's in the kit? Should I use like a pink or should I use that same greenish pen that I use to outline the spread? Y'all let me know. So I was talking, but you didn't see where I added that cute little messy bun girl up at the top. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I've been waiting to use her and this was the perfect spread to use her in. And these stickers came from Dreamy Paper Bliss. I don't know if she has a shop. I just know I reached out to her via DM and told her what I wanted, and then she PayPal'd me an invoice and I paid and she shipped right out. And I've gotten a couple of other things from her as well, like some decals that look like the little messy bun girl, as well as a Starbucks decal, which I think I'm going to show at the end of the video. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going in to use these cute Shine Sticker Co. stickers. These little girls are so cute to me. And it's actually Shine Sticker Studio. All these scissors. I get so tired. So now I'm going to find one of my Coffee Monster Co. Laundry Day stickers to go next to that rose gold washing machine, just so I can add that there. And I need to recut my Kiki beans. I don't know if y'all know, I have a custom sticker that the Coffee Monster Co. made me. Y'all know that she takes custom orders every now and again. And when she had the opening, I was on it. So I need to make them just a little bit smaller so I can put them inside of my Hobonichi because she needs to be in some of these spreads as well. So now I'm just finishing things up. I think it's like one more sticker that I want to use, and that's that last box sticker. So what I decided to do is to cut it in half and use it as like a corner kind of sticker. I was kind of struggling to figure out where the placement was going to be because I wanted that flower to show at the corner. So you're going to see me go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But I do finally find where I want to place it as a home. I put it on the bottom part of this note section, and then I'll put it on the bottom part of Sunday as well. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video wrap up so you can check out the review at the end. right, love, so I am finished my spread in my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of August the 5th through the 11th. And I wish y'all could like teleport yourselves into my office right now, because showing y'all on video and taking photos is not giving this spread any justice. That's why I keep doing this weird kind of circular motion so you can see all of the foiled goodness. This rose gold on top of this pink with this little, I don't know if you want to consider this like mints or I don't know, whatever color it is. I can't think off the top of my head, but these colors are so perfect. And I decided to, again, do my outlining with a colored pen instead of using the traditional black, because the colors were so soft. I didn't want to overpower with that just bold blue, black ink. So this is it. I love it. I almost don't even want to write in it, but I'm gonna, write my plans. And I think I might write in this color, or I might write in the pink. We'll see how I feel once I get it. Even though this is more of a green, it kind of plays off of these little green leaves in here, so it does the job. So I don't know, I might use this, I don't know, but I'm loving it. I hope y'all are loving it. If so, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this week's spread. And as well, if you have not already done so by this point, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. And before I go, I want y'all to do me a huge favor. Share this video with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.